This is Bhagwangola Upper Primary School. This school belongs to Bhagwangola Police Station in Murshidabad district of West Bengal state. We went to this school for 34 days school-based activity. There are 5 teachers and 160 students in this school. Primary school typically covers the early educational years of children, usually from around ages 5 to 11, depending on the country. It lays the foundation for academic learning, social development, and personal growth. The primary goal is to provide a supportive and stimulating environment where children can develop essential skills and knowledge for their future education. Introduced our group members. Supriyo Sonar, Sunita Mojumdar, Join Mondal, Ankita Das, Iti Das, Ritu Barui.
21 ফেব্রুয়ারি আন্তর্জাতিক মাতৃভাষা দিবস। ভগবানগোলা উচ্চ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ের সকল শিক্ষককে সেই স্কুলের মেয়েরা স্বাগত জানাচ্ছেন। 21 ফেব্রুয়ারি হল আন্তর্জাতিক মাতৃভাষা দিবস। ওই দিনে অনুষ্ঠানটি সুন্দরভাবে পরিচালনা করার জন্য আমরা একটি অনুষ্ঠান সূচি তৈরি করি। আর তার আগেই আমরা একটি বিজ্ঞপ্তির দ্বারা সমস্ত ছাত্রছাত্রী, শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকাগণকে জানিয়ে দিয়ে আগামী তারিখে মাতৃভাষা দিবস পালন করা হবে। ওই দিন আমরা প্রথমে সভাপতি নির্বাচন করি এবং অনুষ্ঠানটি পরিচালনা করি। এই অনুষ্ঠানটি উদ্ভাবনী সঙ্গীত পরিবেশন করে শুরু করা হলো। আমার ভাইয়ের রক্তে রাঙানো 21 ফেব্রুয়ারি আমি কি ভুলিতে পারি। 21 ফেব্রুয়ারি আন্তর্জাতিক মাতৃভাষা দিবস হল ভাষাগত ও সাংস্কৃতিক বৈচিত্র্যের সচেতনতা বৃদ্ধি এবং বহুভাষিকতাকে উন্নীত করার জন্য। 1999 সালের 7 নভেম্বর ইউনেস্কো কর্তৃক 21 ফেব্রুয়ারিকে আন্তর্জাতিক মাতৃভাষা দিবস হিসাবে ঘোষণা করা হয়। এটি 21 ফেব্রুয়ারি 2000 সাল থেকে সারা বিশ্বে পালিত হচ্ছে।
এবার আমরা দেখব আমাদের গ্রুপ মেম্বারদের দ্বারা শেখানো কিছু নৃত্য, কবিতা, গান। Indoor games offer numerous benefits to children, contributing positively to their physical, cognitive, social, and emotional development. Here are some of the key advantages. Physical health. Indoor games encourage physical activity, helping children to develop motor skills, coordination, and strength. Games like tag, hide and seek, or even dancing games promote movement, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle and preventing obesity. Cognitive development. Many indoor games require strategic thinking, problem solving, and decision-making skills. Board games, puzzles, and memory games, for example, help children develop critical thinking abilities, enhance memory retention, and improve concentration. creativity and imagination. Many indoor games, such as building blocks, art and craft activities, or imaginative play, stimulate creativity and encourage children to explore their imagination. These activities allow children to express themselves freely and develop their creative thinking skills. Adaptability and resilience. Through playing indoor games, children learn to adapt to different rules, situations, and challenges. They also learn to cope with failure and setbacks, developing resilience and perseverance as they strive to overcome obstacles in the game. Overall, indoor games provide a holistic approach to children's development, nurturing their physical, cognitive, social, and emotional well-being in a fun and engaging manner. Yoga Workshop. Yoga offers numerous benefits for children, both physical and mental. Here are some of the key benefits. 1. Physical fitness. Yoga helps children develop flexibility, strength, and balance. The various poses, asanas, encourage movement of different muscle groups, enhancing overall physical fitness. 2. Improved concentration and focus. Through practicing mindfulness and breath control, children learn to concentrate and focus their attention. This can translate into better academic performance and improved ability to concentrate in various activities. 3. Boosted self-esteem. As children develop their yoga practice, they gain confidence in their abilities to master new poses and challenges. 4. Better sleep. Practicing yoga can promote better sleep patterns in children. The relaxation techniques learned during yoga practice can help them unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. 5. Improved body awareness. Yoga helps children develop a greater sense of body awareness and proprioception, which refers to the ability to sense the position and movement of one's body. Practicing yoga from a young age instills healthy habits that can last a lifetime. By prioritizing physical activity, mindfulness, and self-care, children are more likely to lead healthy and balanced lives as they grow older. Overall, yoga offers a holistic approach to children's well-being, addressing physical, mental, and emotional aspects of health and development. Exhibitions like Brahmachari can offer primary school students several benefits, including 1. Hands-on learning. Students can engage directly with exhibits, fostering a deeper understanding of topics beyond what traditional classroom learning offers. 2. Community engagement. Attending exhibitions can foster a sense of community involvement and encourage students to appreciate cultural and educational events beyond school walls. 3. Encouraging curiosity. Exhibitions can spark curiosity and inspire students to explore topics further, both in and out of the classroom. 4. Interactive experience. Interactive elements can make learning more enjoyable and memorable, helping students retain information better. 5. Real-world application. Exhibitions often showcase real-world applications of concepts learned in school, helping students see the relevance of their education. 6. Promotion of lifelong learning. By fostering a positive attitude towards learning and discovery, exhibitions can instill in students a lifelong love for learning and a curiosity that extends beyond the classroom. Why are cultural programs important in schools? A positive cultural activities in school offer a supportive, highly safe, encouraging, challenging and inviting environment for staff as well as students. This in turn has a remarkable impact on the overall personality of students and helps to drive a school to heights of success. Cultural programs for primary students can have many benefits, including academic performance. Research shows that cultural activities can improve students' grades, reading, and math skills, and cultural programs for primary students offer numerous benefits, including fostering creativity, promoting cultural awareness and appreciation, enhancing social skills through collaboration, boosting confidence through performance opportunities, and providing a platform for self-expression and talent development. Additionally, they can help in building a sense of community and belonging among students and can serve as a vehicle for learning about different cultures and traditions. Brain function. Cultural activities can help students refresh their minds and boost brain function, which can lead to better concentration and higher grades. This time the students of Bhagwangola Upper Primary School will be welcomed by our Diet Murshidabad 2nd Campus Principal Ma'am Sukanya Das Chatterjee and our class teachers.
ভগবানগোলা উচ্চ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ের শিক্ষার্থী আমাদের সবাই হাততালি দাও।
Creativity. Cultural activities can promote creativity and enhance learning skills. Soft skills. Cultural programs can teach students soft skills like interpersonal skills, listening skills, communication skills, problem solving, creative thinking, leadership skills, and empathy. Cultural competence. Cultural competence can help students feel respected, valued, and part of the school community. Personal development. Cultural activities can provide cultural experiences that reinforce cultural growth and personal development. Discipline and time management. Cultural activities can help students learn discipline and time management, which can lead to a better learning process. Intercultural understanding. Learning a language at primary school can increase intercultural understanding. Empathy and understanding. When students are exposed to different cultures and perspectives, they are more likely to develop empathy and understanding for others. Cross-cultural communication skills. Culturally responsive teaching can help students learn to value and respect diverse communication styles, which can help them develop cross-cultural communication skills. Now we will see some dances, poems, songs and handmade puppet show others taught by our group members. Art exhibition. Art exhibitions can have numerous benefits for children. 1. Cognitive development. Engaging with art can stimulate critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and creativity. Children learn to analyze and interpret visual information, which enhances their cognitive development. 2. Emotional expression. Art provides a medium for children to express themselves emotionally. Through creating and viewing art, children can explore and communicate their feelings, fostering emotional intelligence and self-awareness. 3. Cultural awareness. Art exhibitions, exposure to different artistic styles, themes, and cultural perspectives can broaden children's understanding of the world, promoting cultural awareness and sensitivity. 4. Appreciation for beauty. Viewing art can cultivate an appreciation for beauty and aesthetics in children. 5. Confidence building. Successfully creating art and sharing it with others can boost children's self-esteem and confidence. Art exhibitions provide opportunities for children to showcase their artistic talents and receive positive feedback, reinforcing their sense of accomplishment and self-worth. 6. Inspiration and imagination. Exposure to a wide range of artworks can ignite children's imaginations and inspire their own creativity. Art exhibitions expose children to new ideas, techniques, and possibilities, encouraging them to experiment and think creatively in their own artistic pursuits. 7. Educational enrichment. Art exhibitions offer valuable educational opportunities beyond the classroom. Children can learn about art history, techniques, and artistic movements, expanding their knowledge and appreciation of the arts while complementing their formal education. Specially thank you respected our Principal Ma'am Sukanya Das Chatterjee and our class teachers in Diet Murshidabad Bhagwangola 2nd Campus and Bhagwangola Upper Primary School teachers. Thank you for watching. Edit by Supriyo Sonad.